Will you be going to the museum this weekend? No, I'll be driving to the beach. Will you be going? No, I'm going to be studying for final exams. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with Fatima. Today, I'm going to talk about the future continuous tense. As we saw in the conversation previously, we use the future continuous tense to talk about an event or action that will be happening over a period of time in the future. Let's learn how. For the future continuous tense, we can use either will be or going to be. First, I will go over will be. To use will be in the future continuous tense, we use the subject, then will be, then an ing verb, or you can also call this a present participle, and then an object. Here's an example. They will be bringing pasta to the dinner. You can also shorten they and will to they'll. So you could say, they'll be bringing pasta to the dinner. Here's another example. My family will be coming to my graduation in May. If we want to ask questions with will be in the future continuous tense, we switch the subject and will. So we put the subject in between will and be. So it looks like this. Will you be attending the meeting? A question like this is called a neutral question. You're not requesting that someone attend the meeting. You're just wondering if they are going to be attending the meeting. If you wanted to request them to attend the meeting, you would say, will you attend the meeting? That is a request. To use going to be in the future continuous tense, we use the subject, then we use am, is, or are, depending on our subject. Then we use going to be, and then another ing verb. She's going to be working at Google when she graduates. Here's another example. The teacher is going to be giving us a test on Friday. Another thing about going to be is that often in informal speech, we shorten going to be to gonna be. So you would often hear an English speaker saying, the teacher is gonna be giving us a test on Friday. Just know that when we use gonna be in speech, it's very informal and we don't write it. So we always write out going to be, even if we're writing something informal. If we want to ask questions with going to be, we switch the subject and the am, is, or are verb. So we say, are you going to be running in the marathon next week? Just like will be questions, these are neutral questions. You're wondering if this person is going to be running next week. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you next time. Shukran. Bye.